Okay, I just finished Noreen's challenge. It is so cute. Using the Fur Baby Dog collection. I just tied it with a little bit of twine. I added some white memory tabs and just added some stickers from the Fur Baby Dog sticker pack. And you just pull it all out. That's what it looks like. And I'll add some puppy pictures and some journaling. And then the back looks like this. Super fun, super fast. And there we go. And then I'm just tying it up with a little twine. So thank you, Noreen. That was super fun. I love using the envelope and bow maker. And now I have an awesome gift for my daughter. For ideas and inspiration, visit adashofstory.com.